Hello, this is Robot AC21 coming to you with another proverb to enlighten your mind. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Prevention is better than cure. I really wish somebody told me that. It would have prevented me from flatting my head with a baseball bat. Let me explain. I had this toothache and I didn't want to go to the dentist because I don't like having small talk with them when my tongue is trying to fight off a drill, and then having one of the assistants say, "Get the hacksaw, it may be easier to open up his head to replace that defective chip." Ha, the joke's on them. I already removed my chip and hid it somewhere. I think I put it in a cake. I mean, nobody likes cakes, right? So it's safe. But anyway, going back to my toothache. I found out it was all the stuff stuck in my teeth that was causing the pain. I didn't have any toothpicks to get them out, so I used the next best thing, a bat. The bat sat on my shoulder and looked into my eyes. It was so cute, until it spat in my face and called me a bad name.